yawo kwakuNkulunkulu ephila yedwa, but engawuyena uNkulunkulu ngoba ube uNkulunkulu after the creation. Amen. So God became God after he created something that will worship him.
uNkulunkulu ube uNkulunkulu emva kokuba adale into esomdumisa ngayo.
After he created something that will worship him.
uNkulunkulu
Emva kokuba sedale into ezomdumisa, then he became God.
ukuthi ube uNkulunkulu.
Ngoba uma ingekho into ezokudumisa ikhonza, awukwazi ukuba uNkulunkulu. Uba uNkulunkulu after sekunento ezokudumisa ikubona ukuthi wena ungumdali wayo. So engakadali lutho bengayena uNkulunkulu ngoba ibingekho into abezoba uNkulunkulu ngayo. Ngoba uNkulunkulu uthola isigqoko nesihlalo sobuNkulunkulu emva kokuba sedale izinto eziphilayo. Kwase kuba ilezo zinto ke ezibuye zambiza ngoNkulunkulu ngomdali ngoba sedale zona. Ayaya. So in the beginning, in the very first beginning, before the beginning,
ngakho ke eqaleni kwaseqaleni kungakabi seqaleni kodwa eqaleni.
in the very first beginning, before the beginning of the beginning,
eqaleni ngaphambi kokuba kuqale lokho kwakuseqaleni.
he was a spirit, the word, the spirit, a moving word.
wayeyizwi ewumoya umoya ohambahambayo.
But he then decided to create something to worship him. Then he created heavens.
wabe senquma ukudala into esomdumisa waqala wadala amazulu.
He then created the earth.
wabe sedala nomhlaba.
Go down. Buka. Sanibonani. Sanibonani. So buka. Emva kokuba uNkulunkulu